Going hiking down to the river, the Rio Grande in northern New Mexico. Check this out. There's the river. Camp's about a quarter mile back that direction along the ridge, and should be a good one. Even brought my day pack. Look at this awesome spot along the trail. Trail's back that way, so I almost fell down. Jerky camera, deal with it. You're gonna be dealing with a lot now. I have almost 40 subscribers. I don't want to brag, but kind of a big deal and getting bigger. So like and subscribe. Made it down. Check it out. Rio Grande. Pretty cool spot. Camp is along that ridge, probably 3/4 of a mile that way. Down the river. A lot of switchbacks, but you come up the river a long way. Burrito on the river. Life doesn't get much better than this. And I had the presence of mind to bring my biodegradable soap, so I'm clean at least until I start the hike back up. Then I'll be a sweaty boy again. We're going up there. We boop. Except for the poop is way down there. Can't see it from here. It's like 80 and it's all uphill. You can see better from here, but we're going all the way up to the peak behind that tree a little bit, and then about quarter mile past. Just switchback city. Quintessential YouTuber shot, hiking up a steep trail in the back. I'm a real boy now. So, super easy. Barely sweating at all. We did it. And boom. Wet stain. Well, I'm losing my campsite. Several 100,000 acres of northern New Mexico is being shut down because it is so dry. They've deemed the fire danger extreme enough to close all of the wilderness area, northern New Mexico around Taos, basically. And the fire has cut me off from my planned route. So this is what I don't plan. I'm gonna go north. I'm gonna go north into Colorado and then head east again and south. The campsites have been very spotty going to Texas, Oklahoma. So I'm hoping it's better than I think it is, and I think I might just need a new system. iOverlander works fantastically on the West Coast, so well that I hardly used anything else. But now I need to adapt and figure out what's gonna work for me, because things are changing. But for now, I have to leave. I found a campsite about 70 miles north, an hour and a half, that's free and highly rated, and I'm excited about that. And then I gotta figure out my southeast adventure, because in just a week I have to be in Dallas to fix my trailer. Oh yeah, notice anything about the trailer? Old wings here. Doesn't have solar because apparently my batteries are shot, and so the guy I talked to in Taos didn't want to do an installation that wasn't going to help me until I got the batteries replaced. I contacted Off Grid, and they're going to pay for the replacement, so that's cool. But the closest spot to do that is in Dallas, which is roughly 10 hours away now, and I think I have to move slightly further away from it before I get closer. So probably going to be 12 hours plus of driving over the next week. Not super excited about that, but I'm going to make the best of it, and I hope that I do the majority of that spread out over the course of the 7 days, because otherwise I'm going to be a grumpy guts. Well, I drove for an hour and a half, probably 2 hours, and I can't get the permits I need for this spot, so rather than potentially getting run off later this evening, I got another hour and a half drive ahead of me. I do want to show you this mountain range before I go, because it is fantastic. So it's not all doom and gloom. I guess these mountains kind of remind me of Mount Doom, but it's not all doom and gloom. Well, I'm glad I moved, because this is already much cooler. I'm still a couple miles away from National Forest, but the terrain here is insane, and it looks like a big aspen grove, and it looks like it might rain. All things I can appreciate from being a dry desert boy. Check it out. Beautiful forest, but it's not Forest Service land, it's all private. So I think the odds of getting run off, having seen nobody up here, are low, but it's private land. So I'm looking for somewhere to camp. Well, as you can probably tell, I'm driving, so I decided not to stay. Gonna put 6 hours down today, and we are going east. We went north quite a ways, and now we're headed east, so we're making progress towards Dallas, but it is definitely not the right type of progress. Update: the place to get the license was somebody's house, and I don't believe anybody was home, but I don't think that's where you get a camping license anyway. So I'm just gonna go do it illegally. This is it. Ran into a Forest Service guy. He said this is free and awesome. However, no service, which means if I want to get my video edited and posted, I'm gonna have to move. I'm probably gonna wait till Friday because this place is gorgeous, but we'll see. Check it out. Here's a goose. Wings made it. I am gonna have to back out of here, but for this spot, I'll take it. Already picked up some trash. There's clearly a little bit more trash to pick up. How fucking cool is this? Well, I'm gonna do some reading and relaxing. Aha! I left my beautiful place in Colorado. I don't honestly know why. I'm blaming it on the mosquitoes. It was Very nice there. We took a little walk. Pretty much the only little walk that's available is straight up the canyon on the road, which kind of sucks. Unless we're doing like some hardcore mountaineering, and I just didn't have it in me. Well, I found the spot I'm going to spend my weekend in. No Rosham. I'm not in Colorado anymore. I'm in Kansas, but I can't really say I'm not in Kansas anymore because that's where I am. But check out my digs.